dun dun. And now, the human invadeth the Congress of Birds. Home in the late night. Bum bum bum. Ba 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 ba. Whoa, that sun. That sun is bursting through the fog. Good morning, gentlemen. How does the day find thee? My human companion?
What's that?
What should we tell them when we get there? Should we just say hello? Good morning. How's the catch?
How's the water this morning?
Slow up. Oh, scared a couple off, but not all. This is a place to drink, man. That is... The blackbirds ain't afraid. Why is that? Many are still jumping ship, but we haven't moved at all. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there are just 4 left. There are 3 left. These 3 kings. Well, I think this guy on the right gets the trophy.
Yeah.
He really stayed his ground, and now he's gaining ground. Oh, no, I'm sorry.
He knew he won.
I guess, yeah. I don't know how to judge that one.
I think the guy who was last there wins.
The middle guy?
Yeah, I mean, he was
What
the
if
last one there.
But if the guy on the right overheard me and was like, well,
No,
shoot, I just won that.
no, then he threw it away. It's his fault. It wasn't official yet.
That's right.
You can't allow for that kind of arrogance.
You should always wait for the official results before rejoicing.